Bought as a piglet for a group of friends, so we're going to raise her for a hog roast, and then they played football with you, didn't they, and got to know your cheeky personality, and they couldn't bring themselves to do it, so we brought her here.
Made another friend.
I can't believe how big they are.
I know, people are amazed when they come here, like they don't realise pigs are this big.
They're so
Oh,
yeah.
those two saying hello.
So obviously they've been bred to get as much meat out of them as possible, so they're just not like wild pigs, like they shouldn't really be this size.
No.
Like this one, for example, gets lots of problems walking with its legs, it's just so big.
Who's that in the distance? Who's that over there?
Oh, it's Eagle Piggle.
Oh.
And then there should be another one, but it's probably, you can probably see it if you're going to the field, Viola though.
Okay.
I don't want to get you.
Man, I don't know, I didn't think at all this morning, even though they
I don't want to get you. Man, I don't know, I didn't think at all this morning, even though they were...
Yeah, that.
Hello!
Dude, your camera doesn't do justice how big he is.
I know, man. Yeah, mate, if I had that much food like that, just look at all the food stacked up, like he's in heaven right now. Can I get past, please? Thank you. Thank you. Hello. This is amazing. It's too many cats. Hi guys.
Hey.
Which one's the leader of the crew?
Hey. Oh, there's cats everywhere.
I'm in heaven.
Hello.
So, cat. Hello. Hello, mate. Oh, look at them loving each other. Aww.
Nothing for gorgeous girlie. You're so gorgeous, I don't believe it. Back to eating your grass. I'll give you your love. Yes, he's a nice big girl. Oh, he's a nice.
Cat's following me.
Come on.
Come on then. Come on then, dude. This one's following me as well. There's two. Come on then. Come on then.
Oh no.
Nice. Hey, big guy. There's a bit of sassiness then. Well, I'm gonna go and check out the other guys. I'll be back in a bit. See you in a bit, guys. It's absolutely crazy to think that anyone could ever kill any of these animals after being around them, especially being around a big amount. It's just insane. Here's my friend. He's back. Come on then. What a cool little cat. It's been following me around all day. I need to open the fence, buddy. I literally can't open the fence because this cat is just following me everywhere. I don't want to open it while he's standing on it either. Probably going to be here all day. Just with this cat. I can't get through with the cat. How you doing, buddy?
Hello.
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 Hey guys.
Hello.
checking me out.
Say go away, woman.
It's okay.
Aww.
It's okay. Oh.
Look at these dudes. You guys have a good life, man. You're just chilling, eating grass in the sun. Telling me, how could anyone do anything to a horse like that? We even do it in this country and we don't even eat the meat. It's crazy, it's crazy.
Yeah. That one's a boy.
A lot of the times when horse riders, the jockeys, when their horse isn't good enough anymore, they just take it at the back and kill it. And you'd think those guys would actually look after their animals, but they don't. They just swap them for a new one. One that works better than the others, which is terrible. If you take an animal on, you have that responsibility and you should stick to it. And I do kind of think that riding horses like that for a commercial kind of game is wrong in itself. Look at these dudes. You guys have a good life, man. You're just chilling, eating grass in the sun. Also, as you're going around here, you actually can't forget about all the other animals that are suffering right now in slaughterhouses and farms. These guys are lucky to be in this sanctuary, being looked after by these guys, but as I'm walking around here, I just can't help but remember those that aren't as lucky. You guys want to scratch? I can't leave one of you out. Okay. I'm in the wrong postcode here. These guys are coming after me. I know. Look who's come to see me. This cat's crazy, he's everywhere. He's literally followed me everywhere, and the other one. Hello? Come on. Hello. How many cats are there? Tell me. Because I've saw loads of you guys. It's been a really cool day being here. I don't want to leave. You have to get the good balance if you're an activist and you're going visuals. You need the balance between happy days and sad and emotional days. So if you do visuals and you haven't been to a sanctuary yet, I really advise you that you get down to one, because you need the balance, because the activism and the visuals and the protests, it's very deep emotional stuff, and it starts to play on your mind after a while. And even coming to a place like this, all day I've been thinking about the other animals that I've saw in the vans and that, but it's been nice to actually see some happy animals for once. So yeah, I advise anyone to go to a sanctuary. Even if you're not an activist, just go to a sanctuary. And maybe you're not vegan, and go to the sanctuary, and you should be able to make the connection between the animals, and it should help you and push your views forward so you don't eat meat. Because if you can look one of those animals in the eye and eat meat, I don't know how you could do that. I don't know how you could do that.
Probably like the fucking geese and the chickens just living together.
So one of my friends said to me, just really good point. He said there's loads of animals here living on the same field that are from different species, and humans can't even do that. And that's so true, and it's such a good point to make that. I had to say, I'm going to steal that and say it on camera because it's just bang on.